Hello, my dear friends. I am going to tell you Level 6 Microsoft Word-based question with answer, so please watch this video until the end. 1. If you want to insert automatically page number in every page of Microsoft Word, then which option is used? Answer: page number option. 2. Word art option found in which tabs? Answer: Insert tab. 3. Which option is useful to insert logo within the every page in Microsoft Word? Answer: through watermark. 4. How many columns insert in the Microsoft Word document? Answer: 13. 5. Which option is used for insert object or picture behind paragraph? Answer: through wrap text. 6. Crop option found in which tabs? Answer: Format tab. 7. Which tab is used for create table of content? Answer: Reference tab. 8. Which option of mailing tab is used for create invitation card in Microsoft Word? Answer: Envelope option. 9. Which option is used for create sticker in Microsoft Word? Answer: through label option. 10. If you want to create mail document with different name, then which option is used? Answer: through mail merge. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share it.